Hey there, welcome back to my channel Stoic Stream, where we dive deep into the complexities of human behavior, relationships, and everything. Psychology, if you're interested in understanding the often tricky world of relationships, especially when it comes to older women, then you're in the right place today. We're talking about something that can leave you feeling confused, knowing if an older woman doesn't like you. Yep, that's right, gentlemen. We all love to know when someone is into us, but it's equally important to spot the signs when someone isn't. No one likes wasting time, right? So let's jump right into it. Here are 4 key signs that a single older woman just isn't into you. One of the biggest telltale signs that an older woman doesn't like you is how she interacts with you, or more accurately, how she doesn't. Older women. Women often have more life experience and they don't beat around the bush as much as younger women might. If she's consistently distant or non-responsive, that's a huge red flag. When you text her, does it feel like you're talking to a wall? Do her replies take forever? And when they do come, are they short and uninterested? This isn't just about texting in face-to-face interactions. Does she seem physically distant? Cross arms, looking away, or fidgeting are all non-verbal cues that signal disinterest. Older women know what they want. So if she's not responding to you with enthusiasm or warmth, she's likely not interested. Whether it's her consciously setting boundaries or just trying to let you down easy. The message is clear. She's not emotionally invested in the connection. Ever find yourself constantly waiting for her to make time for you? Another undeniable sign that a single older woman doesn't like you is when you're never a priority. Unlike younger women, who may still be figuring out their schedules or balancing different aspects of life, older women often have a more structured lifestyle. They value their time. If she's consistently unavailable or keeps cancelling plans of the last minute, she's likely not that into you. Sure, everyone gets busy and life happens. But when someone is genuinely interested, they make time. They're eager to spend time with you, and they'll find a way to make it happen, even if it's just for a coffee instead. If you notice that she's always got an excuse or never initiates plans, take that as a clear sign when someone likes you. You'll know they won't leave you guessing or waiting by the phone. Now this one stings a bit. If an older woman openly talks about other men or romantic interests, it's often a subtle way of letting you know she's not into you. Older women are generally more direct, but they can still try to gently signal disinterest without outright rejecting someone. Does she frequently bring up other men she's dating or men she finds attractive? This might be her way of telling you that you're in the friend zone. If she's mentioning another man she's interested in, it's not to make you jealous. It's more likely a sign that she sees you as a friend or even just an acquaintance. And it's not just about talking. If she's out there actively dating or going to events without inviting you along, then it's pretty clear you're not her romantic priority. Finally, we come to physical affection or lack thereof when someone likes you, especially in the early stages of dating. There's usually some level of flirtation or physical closeness. But if an older woman isn't showing any signs of physical affection, she's probably not feeling that spark. Older women can be more reserved, but they also know how to show affection when they're interested. If she's avoiding physical contact, whether it's as simple as holding hands, touching your arm, or giving you a hug, it's a strong indicator that she doesn't see you romantically. Even subtle things like positioning herself farther away from you when sitting or walking can be signs that she's trying to maintain a distance. Remember, actions speak louder than words, and if her actions aren't giving you that green light, it's time to reconsider your pursuit, and there you have it. 4 clear signs that a single older woman doesn't like you. It's important to pay attention to both verbal and non-verbal cues because they often tell you more than words ever could. To recap, if she's distant, doesn't prioritize, you talks about other romantic interests or avoids physical affection, it's a good chance she's not interested. And while it can be disappointing to realize this, the sooner you pick up on these signs, the quicker you can move on and find someone who truly values your time and attention. Remember, relationships are all about mutual interest and respect. If someone isn't giving you that, don't be afraid to walk away. You deserve someone who's just as excited about you as you are about them. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more relationship tips and psychology insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.